Okay, because I think it's time. We've got to start going for these guys, and all of them have at least some roots to them. These are the sweet potatoes, and I'm ready to get them in the ground. And we're not going to get a lot this year, but that's okay. I mean, I really wasn't expecting much. I kind of grabbed the sweet potatoes late and put them in there, and then overwatered them and basically rotted them. So kind of my fault. I'll know better next year, and hopefully we'll get a better harvest next year. But this year, if I even get just a couple, I'll be happy. Okay, so I'm just going to be careful as much as that's possible. But you can see a little potato there. This is the bolt that I use just to mark the fact that there's no potatoes from this point on. So I guess I'm just gonna kind of dig and prepare a little spot. Okay, so I thought I would come and see how many sweet potato slips I actually ended up with. We ended up with 7, and this guy has just barely little root buds ready to pop out. Because you can see, or maybe you can see, if you look along the sides of these sweet potato slips here, that's where the little root buds are. So we'll just have to see how they do, and hopefully they'll all take. Okay, these are my holes ready. Call it really good planning on my part, but I have 7 sweet potato slips, and I only had room for 6 holes, so I had to put one behind there, and a little nervous because of the pumpkin growing right next to it, but I'm kind of nervous about these anyways because they're going to vine also, and this could become a tangled mess over here. I'm not really sure. Hopefully we can get it to stay under control, and maybe I can get the vines to go this way towards this guy. We'll see. Alright, I'm going to start putting them in the ground. I also have to be careful of where I'm stepping because I don't want to crush the potato shoots that are coming up. I'm going to mix all of this in well and get the slips in the ground. And I'll be back when I'm ready to start burying them. Okay, so I got them all laid out. I got the one with the fewest roots planted in this back hole in case it doesn't make it. It'll at least be the one in the least favorable position, but we'll see. Okay, so I'm going to try to carefully cover these. I'm going to try not to bury them deeper than I have to, but I think they must be pretty forgiving since you can sort of root them along their entire stem. So I'll get the rest of these buried in, and I'll be back. Okay, I got these guys in the ground. Wouldn't doubt if I saw some wilting, especially from that guy. He had like swollen root buds, but he didn't really have the roots the rest of these guys did. I mean, as these grow long vines, maybe if I prune them, maybe I can just stick some in the ground and see what happens. Just, for science. All right, that's the last official thing going in this garden. So we are done. I can't promise that I'm done planting because I want so many things. I might still try to get some blueberries or something. I haven't decided on that. We're not really big blueberry fans, so we'll see. But the wind is starting to pick up, which actually feels amazing right now because it's very sticky out here. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you again real soon. I'll try to keep you updated. Hopefully we'll start seeing some progress. I mean, we've got a lot of progress. The tomato plants are huge compared to when they were put in. The peppers are getting very big. The celery's popping. But anyways, All right, take care of yourselves. God bless.